Hi everybody, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. I'm Acham Winfred Evelyn, and as promised, I will be taking you through Google Meet. And as I said in our last video, that Google Meet is a video conferencing tool developed by Google and designed to facilitate online meetings. That is what I can tell you about Google Meet, and it has several features. So for you to do that, you go to Chrome. After going to Chrome, you open a new tab. Then, as I told you, that Google Meet is one of the Google applications. Then you click on the Google Meet. As you can see on the screen, what has appeared, it shows that video calls and meetings for everyone. Connect, collaborate, celebrate from anywhere with the Google Meet. That's what it's telling us. As I told you, that the definition is it's a video conferencing tool developed by Google and designed to facilitate online meetings. And here we have new meeting. So if you want to create a link for a meeting to share with your friends, you click on this new, and we have options. The first one says create a meeting for later, meaning you can create your meeting, then you set your time. Okay, let's click on it. It's loading. It is saying here is your joining information. Send this to people you want to invite. To be sure to save it, as you can use it later too. And this is copying your link. That is the later. And the second one, we have start an instant meeting. When you click on it, this is what is showing us. It's loading. This is what we have. As you can see, I, as the host, I'm already here. And I remember telling you that one of the features of Google Meet as that security is very paramount there, and is provided. You can see it here that Meet keeps you safe, and it says here, if you report abuse during a call, you might have the option of sending a short video only clip to Google to verify the abuse. And here you can learn more about the reporting abuse. Okay, then here it is telling you that your meeting is ready. And here it is telling you you can add people, and this one is copying your link. Copy link as you see it from here. And we have down here, this one is the microphone. You can turn it, but here you need it on because you need to communicate. And this one is the video. If you want people to see your face, that is the video. Then here, send reaction. You can click on it. Here, present now, if we are presenting. And this one is if you want to raise up your hand to say something. Then here we have more options. Apply the visual effects, open picture in picture. If you want it to be on a full screen, it depends what you want as an individual. Then if you click on this meeting details, joining information, this is the link. If you are sent to join the meeting, you click on it, then the host will do what? Invite you for the meeting. Then here we have people. It's only I who is in the meeting because I haven't invited any other person, but we have options of adding here. As you can see the suggestions, I have nanashifa2@gmail.com. Then I have odekejuliuspeter@gmail.com. So for me, you can choose that one and it will sending an email as Achamuinfred Evelyn via Google Meet. No reply@gmail.com. Then this is my name, this is my email address, and is inviting to join a video call happening now. So the people you invite here can join the meeting without asking to be admitted. Then here you'll be sending your Gmail, and in the other feature of the Google Meet, as I had told you, that it integrates with the other Google applications. And here, as you can see, the Gmail, meaning you can send your link via the email to the person you want to invite. That is about the people here. Then here, if you want to chat with everyone in the meeting, you don't want to talk, you don't want to react, you just text from here. You can say hi. I hope you all are fine, and you send it. You say, hi, I hope you all are fine. As you can see, you have sent a chat to the persons you are doing what? So here we have a white writing board, read meeting, note taker. Then here we have the host. A host meaning a person who has invited the others, or the one who has created the link for that particular meeting. As you can see here, the host management lets you restrict whatever a participant can do in the meeting. As you see, let everyone share the screen, send a chat message, send reaction, turn on their microphone. It is the host who controls that. Okay, members, that's what I can tell you about the Google Meet. Thank you for listening. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you very much.